Assalamu alaikum students. Now I am going to explain exercise 2.4 question number 3, its second part. It is also the resembling of question number 1 first part, and also the same question, the little bit change of in one question in a review exercise which I will give you as an assignment. Here we have to solve these questions. The first step, keep one thing in your mind. The most of the students when start to solve the question, this surd or the square root symbol, they are taking till here only numerator, not taking down till denominator also cover. When it's still only the numerator part, it means that denominator is not having the surd. What does it mean? कि डिनोमिनेटर का जैसे वो कहते हैं सर्ड नहीं है, वो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर नहीं है, वो ऐसे लगता है, तो इससे आपने कंप्लीट डिनोमिनेटर को भी कवर करना है. सोल्यूशन की तरफ जाते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई योर बेस्ट टू मेक द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 216, 25 एंड डेसिमल पॉइंट. वी विल रिमूव दैट वन. अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सोल्यूशन, surd will be remain same, no change. 216, when we will make its factor 216, so 216 make its factor like prime factorization method. It is also divisible by 2 and if also divisible by 3. So you have tried to make the factors. If we will start to make the factors with the help of like 2 ones are 2, after that 2 0 and 2 8, then again 2 5, 2 4, 2 27, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. How many times repeat 3 1 2 3, and how many times 2 repeat 1 2 3? So it means that that is also having the power 2 over 3. We can write 216 like 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube and its whole power 2 over 3. We made its prime factors. 25, we will also make its prime factors. It's already, you knew that one, that is the square of the 5. So I am writing 5 square and its power 1 over 2. What I am doing here first I will remove the decimal point, then after that solve the fraction. How to remove the decimal part? If there is a decimal part 0.4, according to rule, its power is equal to 1 over minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2, I am not changing that one. According to rule, where the decimal point, you have to remove and use the decimal point, place 1. After that, how many digits on the right hand side? Decimal point, right hand side, how many digits you have to apply? Number of zeros. 1 and 2 digits, so you have to apply 2 0. Is that clear? Now we will simplify the next step. What is that? Power, if there is a bracket and also power and both have the power, then the power multiplied by its power. So I am solving 2 exponent 3 and its power multiplied by whole power 2 over 3. Right? First you will also apply this one, maybe that after that you forgot. Multiply by 3 and its exponent 3 power multiplied by its exponent whole exponent 2 over 3. 5 its exponent 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Denominator, I want to make its sign positive, exponent positive. How to make positive? Yes, good. Make its fraction reciprocal, the sign of negative will be changed into positive. Like negative sign change into positive, there is a fraction, you will write 100 over 4. Before 0, no value. Now we want to simplify. 3 cancel by this 3, right? Here this 3 cancel also by this 3, okay? And here 5 cancel by, 2 cancel by this 2, 5 exponent. So what is remaining here? We can solve it here. And one more simplification is here. Both are possible to cancel? Yes. So what is that? 4 ones are 4 and 25. If you will be confused how to cancel that, I already told you that use this calculator, that FX991ES plus. This calculator having the function to solve the fraction and root also directly. After simplification, what's remaining here? Exponent 2. First I will apply the root. Still I did not cancel the root because this is the rough procedure. 2 exponent 2. 3 at exponent 2. Okay. Multiply by 5. It's exponent 1. No need to write exponent 1. In denominator 25. Make it also factor like here. 25 is the square of 5. So I can write here 5 square and power multiply by its power, whole power multiply by this. What's cancel here? Here cancel. I want to solve one more step, then it will be very clear. Otherwise I can simplify here, but I don't want to confuse you. 2 square and also 3 square, here 5 and here 5. This 5 and 5 will be cancel. There will be 1 remaining and 1. Both are having the term squares. And this is third. Which root? Square root or cube root? Square root, because no number is written here. So square cancel by square root. This square and square cancel by square root. So what is the remaining? That one square root also cancel. 2 multiplied by 3 and we will get the answer 6. We'll get our answer 6. That is our final answer. Hope all of you understand. Now I am giving you assignment, same to same, a little bit change of this question which you have to solve as assignment, and that question is given that in a review, and it is also the important question, right? Yes, my dear students, that is your assignment, and this assignment is also the part of your exercise, review exercise 2, question number 4. It's you can see that 90% same, just 10% change. What is change? I will also explain. See here, 216 exponent 2 over 3, same. 25 exponent 1 over 2, same. Whole third is also same. 0.04 or 0.04, same meaning. But what is the change? Negative sign is also same. Here its exponent minus 1 over 2 and here its exponent minus 3 over 2. That is a little bit change. Factor same, every procedure is same, just you have to change a little bit in the last 2 steps of the previous question which we solved. Right? Solve it and show me that what is the answer of this question. Thank you very much. Take care and Allah Hafiz.